Today I'm going to be reviewing the OBO High Rebound Plus kickers. As you can see right off the bat, there is a big shape change. OBO have changed the design to more of a 90-degree box cut shape. I personally really like this because I suffer a lot when I'll take a shot with the old kickers and the ball rebound off the curved shoe and it'll be given as a dangerous ball. Flatter surface on the side, we've got an increase in 20% surface area, meaning that there's more impact to save with, and when the ball does strike them, it's a lot thicker and denser foam, so the ball's travelling further away from the goal without you putting any more effort into it. They've also reduced the weight of the kickers. So importantly for me, because I'm quite an agile keeper, I try and have as little weight on me as possible so I can move quicker, and these are perfect for that. New system where your feet slide in. So with this, for example, if I put my shoe in here, you'll see that the shoe is flush with the bottom, whereas previously with the old style of high rebound kickers, your toe would protrude out and you could be caught on the toe and you could suffer toe breaks and it didn't fit cleanly. Whereas now with this flush fitting, it feels like it's just an extension of your shoe, which is again a really nice feature.